Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Julie Netting doll 2020 celebration. It's a collab. You can see all the wonderful people that are in it. Myself, Miss D from Miss D Special Things, Audrey from Wendy Days, Terry from Terry E01, Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes. So hopefully you can check out all the channels. In fact, you should check out all the channels, and not only check them out, you need to subscribe to them because they will inspire you with their creativity and their beautiful creations. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be posting every month on the first Saturday of the month, and guess what? We're going to be using our Julie Netting dolls. All you need to do is have one and you can participate. So what we're going to do is we're going to be posting 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And what you have to do is you have to use one doll. And so for this month, our theme was spring or flowers. So you have to do anything with a Julie Netting doll, at least one, it could be more. The doll should be the focus of the creation and everything around it, but you want to have that in. And then you have something that you did hand-drawn. Hand-drawn could be you trace something, you doodle something, you put dots on something, you use your beautiful penmanship. I don't have that gift, but anyway, it could be you drew a face on it. So something with your pen that you did with your hand. That's the challenge. And then the theme would be floral, or spring. And so we have to make something. So I'm going to show you what I made. And then you have the opportunity, if you want to play along with us, to use the hashtag Julie Netting Doll 2020 Celebration. And then we will be looking for your video. So you have, today we're posting at noon. You have until midnight tomorrow on Sunday. Midnight on Sunday to get your video up. So it's like a flash challenge. Okay, then you'll be entered into an opportunity to win a prize. So all of us, one person each month is going to be giving away a prize. The prize varies every single month. So just something that we're doing, during this quarantine time, just to have fun. And the prize is just something small, just a token to say, hey, thank you for liking and watching the videos and playing along with us, because a lot of us have these dolls and we forget to use them. I love paper piecing and fussy cutting. I find it relaxing. Anyway, this is the paper pad that I use. It's not a new one. It's one of Craftsmith ones. I guess I got it 2019. Does it have a year on it? Oh, this says 2016. I know I ain't bought it in 2016. I bought it like last year or 2018, but anyway, it says 2016. That's when this came out, but it's called Uptown Chic. Maybe I did, who knows? But anyway, I finally broke into it, so hey, that's good. So that's the paper pad that I used. Everything came from the same paper pad. And these are the pretty dolls that I use, and these are new ones, so that was even better because I use all new dolls, and I use 5 of them. So this is Kelly, if you haven't seen it, and I showed you 2 hauls on my videos. 2 hauls on my channel. One in January and one in March with some of the new ones that I got. And this one is Jayla. Sorry about the lighting. It is literally 3 a.m. in the morning. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a night owl. This is Miss Becky. This is Miss Fiona. I love how they all came like with jackets or shawls, so you can put them on or take them off. So it gives you 2 looks, a warm and a cold look. It just depends on what you do it with. And then this one is, I gotta learn the names of these. I haven't learned them all yet. Phoebe. So anyway, that's those 5. I use each one of those twice. So that's 10 dolls that I cut out and I made just for this project. So, I wanted to make a little planner, so I was like, I'm going old school today. I'll also use this. Of course, paper cutter and all that stuff. And I also use my cinch. So I decided to make a book I'm going to be doing financial peace again. I hadn't done it in years, but I thought I would like to make a notebook. I made the bigger obviously than $1 bill size. But anyway, so I'm going to be making a couple other notebooks like this for some other projects and stuff that I'm going to do. But I kept this one flat, pretty much flat, because I want to be able to make it useful. So I didn't want to make it too bulky and chunky because I'm going to be writing in it, and I wanted to be able to lay flat when I write in it. So didn't bling it out like I want to with a whole bunch of bling, because I wanted to be able to still write on it. But this is the cover, and of course the cover is chipboard, and this is my spine that I use with my cinch. I hadn't used that in a couple of years, so felt good to use that. So anyway, and it was quick to put together. Just the dolls take a minute, because I did paper piece the dolls. I colored them with all the dolls I colored with my Spectrum Noir markers. And for my challenge, what I did with all of my dolls, which I do this typically, is I use my Spectrum Noir markers to trace the outline and add a little bit more dimension to each one of the colors that I've paper pieced. So I colored the skin and the hair directly onto my stamped image. Then I stamp out the clothes on different, patterned or solid color cardstock paper, and then I cut it out. And then I layer it onto the initial stamped image. So that's how I usually typically do my dolls. I do them other ways too, but that's the primary way that I do them. So anyway, so for my hand drawing, I traced around this flower here and some dots here, and you'll see that a couple other things I traced around these leaves here. And again, sorry about the lighting. It is late. Anyway, so that is that. Like I said, I kept it flat, and I used a punch here to punch out some flowers for my spring. So that's all of that over there. And the rest of these little pieces that you'll see, they're just cutouts from the paper collection. I fussy cut out the strawberry and the pineapple border strips, and just the little pieces that they typically have in it that you can make cards and stuff out of, or embellishments. I just cut them out. Some of them I fussy cut out like that from out of the little piece, just so I can have something to add to it. So I did stamp this with one of the stamps. It says Rise and Shine Gorgeous, and I think that went with Phoebe. Let me see which one it was. It was, no, it wasn't one of these. It said Rise and Shine. Oh, it was J-Lo. So it says Rise and Shine. I just stamped it out right there, and I added it to that piece. Then over here, so this one right here, that is Phoebe, right? Yeah, so it's Phoebe. I use each doll twice. So this one right here, that is Fiona. And so this one she has on her shawl, and this butterfly actually came from one of these. That which one? I don't even see where it came from. Oh, it came from Fiona. So it came from her. That's the butterfly. That's right here. And again, the rest of the cut parts, and I used my doily, and I did some little dots around the circles again, just with my hand drawn element. Very subtle, yes. I don't know if you can even see it, but dots on the circles. But I think they came out cute. All the papers that I used to lay out the dolls but came from this paper collection. Again, this is a chipboard cover. And these are envelopes. I just made them out of 112 by 12 sheet. And I used my Well Remember Keepers corner chopper. So I used different shapes on the end. So this one I think is like the cloud shape. So I can put lots of things in here. Receipts, money, just different things like that. So I'm going to be putting a label on the back and some other stuff. But anyway, I'm probably Velcro it. Then this one right here, this is Miss Kelly, and this is her without her jacket. Sorry. And then, let me hurry up. This one right here is J-Lo. Phoebe again. Miss Jayla again. I think I just have fun. I'm doing this, and it's like this dog. I fussy cut him out. He was on one of the little pieces of cards, and I cut him out. And then this is Kelly. Nope, this is Becky. And she has the jacket on this one. And this jacket is layered more than once, so I cut out the solid green to put over top of the jacket, just to add more dimension. And then this is Kelly, and she has her jacket on, and I stamped out her bow, and I fussy cut out that bow down the bottom. Right there, I fussy cut that out. And I stamped to put that bow up there. And then this one again is Fiona. Without the jacket, she doesn't have on her shawl on this one. And again, each one of these are cut with different, like 4 different choppers: Deco, Cloud, I can't even remember all the different names, but anyway, they all have different ticket. I forgot the other one name. And then this one is back to Becky again. She has her jacket off. And then I just ended with those eyes. So again, these are, the envelopes are actually 9, well, there's 12 by 12 piece of paper, and then when you fold it out, it ends up being 5 by 10. So this is a 5 by 10 book, and just want to show you that. Felt good to use all new stamps, 5 of them at one time, and my cinch, and made a quick little album, so that was fun to make. So anyway, plus some of those old tools. Please go and check out those other ladies. You will be inspired, and please play along with us and hashtag us so we can find your video. So again, it's hashtag Julie Netting Doll 2020 celebration, all one word. And I'll have that again in the description box below. I will have all the other collaborators on the celebration in the box below, so please check them out and like and subscribe to the channel, and please play along and enter a chance for winning. All right, take care. God bless.